Hi and welcome to UpSkul, where we help product designers, entrepreneurs, and mechanical engineers build the future one smart idea at a time. Today, we are discussing about a topic that couldn't be more urgent: sustainable product design. Our planet is sending us a loud, undeniable message. It's time to rethink what we create, how we create, and why we create. We will start by facing the reality head on, the environmental crisis that make sustainable design not optional but essential. Then we will explore the powerful principles guiding the next generation of design, from cradle to cradle thinking to biomaterials that could change everything. Then we will dive into real world applications, packaging, energy, and durable designs that are rewriting the rules of product development. And finally, we will look to the future because true change isn't just about better products, it's about collaboration, education, and policy driving sustainable innovation forward. If you are a builder, a designer, or an entrepreneur, you are part of the solution. Sustainable product design isn't just a trend, it is the new baseline. And at UpSkul, we are here to give you the tools to lead this change. Let's begin our journey into sustainable product design by facing an uncomfortable but critical truth. We are living in the era of climate change, where global temperatures are rising at unprecedented rates, leading to stronger storms, devastating wildfires, and rising sea levels. We are drowning in pollution, plastic in our oceans, toxins in our air, and chemicals in our soil. And we are rapidly consuming the planet's natural resources, extracting, mining, drilling faster than Earth can replenish them. This isn't a future problem, it's a now problem. At the heart of this crisis lies a major contributor: the way we design and produce products. Traditional product design follows a simple destructive path: extract raw materials, manufacture, use, and discard. Every smartphone, every plastic package, every fast fashion garment carries an environmental footprint: energy consumption, water depletion, toxic emissions, and waste that can sit in landfills for centuries. And the problem doesn't end at production. Most products are designed for short lifespans, making disposable inevitable and pollution perpetual. The wake up call is loud and clear. Our design choices today shape the world of tomorrow. We can no longer design products just for profit or aesthetics. We must design for sustainability, for durability, and for circularity. Eco-conscious design isn't just a nice to have, it's a survival strategy for businesses, for communities, and for the planet itself. And the good news is that you, as a designer, engineer, or an entrepreneur, have the power to lead this change. Now let's discuss the core principles that will guide us towards truly sustainable design. Nature doesn't create waste. Every leaf that falls, every creature that dies, becomes nourishment for something new. Cradle to cradle design asks, why can't our products work the same way? Instead of traditional cradle to grave model, where products are created, used, and then discarded, cradle to cradle thinking designs products that are endlessly reusable, repairable, or recyclable, or biodegrade harmlessly back into the environment. Every material has a next life. Every design choice supports regeneration, not destruction. That's real sustainability by design, not by accident. Building on cradle to cradle, we have the bigger system view, the circular economy. The linear economy is simple: take, make, and waste. While the circular economy is smarter. It says take, make, reuse, remake, and recycle. In a circular system, products are designed for long life. Components are standardized for easy replacements, and materials are harvested after use and fed back into the new products. Nothing is wasted, everything has value, and the value is captured again. For designers and engineers, this means thinking beyond the first use, designing not just a product but a full life cycle. The third guiding star of sustainable design is bio-based materials. Instead of fossil fuels, plastics, or mined resources, bio-based materials come from renewable sources like bamboo, hemp, algae, and agricultural waste. These materials grow quickly, require less energy to process, and often decompose naturally at the end of their life. Imagine packaging made from mushrooms or building material grown, not mined. Bio-based innovation isn't just better for the planet, it opens whole new creative possibilities for product designers. Sustainable design isn't about doing less harm, it's about doing good by design. When we mimic nature's cycles, close the loop on materials, and build with the power of renewable resources, we are not just making better products, we are designing a better future. Let's see how these principles come alive in real products, real innovations, and real impact. Let's start with something we encounter every single day: packaging. Traditional plastic packaging is cheap, lightweight, and devastatingly persistent in the environment. Eco-friendly packaging offers better alternatives like biodegradable materials that break down safely in the environment, compostable solutions that turn waste into nutrient-rich soil, and minimalistic packaging that reduces waste at the source. Think about brands like Lush, who use minimal or no packaging, or startups creating mushroom based packaging foams that decompose like leaves. Packaging doesn't have to be a problem, it can be a part of the solution. Next, let's talk energy. Most products rely on fossil fuel based electricity at some point in their lifestyle. But smart design can tap into renewable energy, making products more independent, sustainable, and even off the grid. Imagine solar powered lamps that bring light to off grid communities, wind power sensors for remote monitoring, or hydro-powered chargers built into adventure gear. Renewable integration isn't just eco-friendly, it locks new markets where traditional energy isn't available or reliable. Designing with renewables is designing for resilience. Finally, one of the simplest, most powerful ideas: make things that last. In the throwaway culture, products are cheap, fragile, and designed to fail. But durability and repairability flip that script. High quality materials that withstand wear and tear, modular designs where parts can be easily replaced, and clear repair guides and accessible spare parts. Products should be upgradable, not disposable, fixable, not replaceable. This not only reduces waste, it builds trust, loyalty, and long term value with users. Sustainability isn't just a philosophy, it's a design challenge. From packaging to energy to durability, when we apply the right principles, we create products that are smarter, stronger, and future ready. Looking ahead, building a sustainable future isn't a solo mission, it is a collaborative effort. No single company, no single industry can solve this crisis alone. The future of sustainable design lies in cross-industry collaboration. Material scientists teaming up with product designers, renewable energy startups partnering with consumer brands, and tech companies sharing open source sustainability solutions. When industries collaborate, ideas multiply, innovations accelerates, and resources are shared. Sustainability is not a competitive advantage, it is a collective survival strategy. The companies that thrive tomorrow are those who build bridges today. The power of change isn't just in the hands of the designers and businesses, it's also in the hands of customers. Educated consumers ask better questions. What is this product made of? How long will it last? And can I repair it, recycle it, or compost it? Transparency leads to trust. Trust leads to better choices, and better choices lead a better world. As designers and entrepreneurs, it's our job to make sustainable choices visible, understandable, and accessible, because informed consumers become powerful allies in driving sustainable innovation. Government policy is not just the red tape, it's the framework that can push entire industries towards sustainability. Smart policies and regulations can encourage companies to adopt sustainable practices through incentives, ban harmful materials and processes, mandate eco-labeling and transparency, and support innovation through grants and research funding. When governments, businesses, and consumers align, real large-scale change becomes possible. Sustainability must become the default, not the exception, and policy is a powerful tool to make that happen. The future of sustainable design is bright, but it will be built not by individuals working in isolation. It will be built together across industries, across borders, and across generations. Collaboration, education, and policy. These are the engines that drive the sustainable revolution. At UpSkul, we believe sustainable design isn't a trend, it's the future of innovation, entrepreneurship, and impact. But this video is just the beginning. There is much more to discover, design, and build together. Subscribe to UpSkul for more real-world design education. Share this video with a founder, designer, or engineer who's ready to make a difference. Comment below, what sustainable idea will you bring to life? The future belongs to the creators who dare to build better. Let's get to work. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.